guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I love you. In this video, I will be showing you how to properly remove your acrylic nails. And as a slight disclaimer, I am not a nail technician and I have not went to school for cosmetology. This is just how I remove my acrylic nails. And yeah, I hope you all learned something from this video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please comment down below. And as always, I love you. So to remove these nails properly, you will need 100% acetone. I also used a glass bowl to pour the acetone in, but there are many other alternatives you can use besides the glass bowl. I also used a nail filing tool, but a traditional nail file works just as fine, and I also used a buffer. At the end of the video, I painted my nail bed with a clear top coat, and yeah, that's optional. And I also used a nail clipper because I don't have like the fancy clippers or whatever. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all you'll need to remove these nails. In the video is pretty self-explanatory. All I'm doing now is just clipping off the tips of the acrylics, and I'll be, soaking them in the acetone. I will mention later in the video that you can also buff out and file down the acrylics to save you on time and energy. So yeah, I also recommend having more than just a napkin below the bowl. You'll need like a towel, newspapers, all that stuff, because it does get messy. But yeah, I hope you all can learn from me showing you guys. I'm a visual learner, but if you don't learn like that, please comment down below so I can change my methods of teaching you guys. But as always, I love you. Please enjoy the video. I was just buffing out my nails with the nail tool, but eventually you'll see me go with my buffer as of right now. So yeah, I'm just doing this to remove the excess oils and stuff off my nails that I don't need, so I can go ahead and apply the clear top coat of paint. So yeah. yeah, I do get really upset that the acetone spilled, and as like in the video you'll see me, I'll keep refilling the bowl up because I think that the nails soak up the acetone, or either it evaporates. I don't know what happens to it, but I realized that I had to keep refilling the bowl. So if you know what that's all about, please comment down below because I don't know why I had to keep refilling it. But anyways, yeah, I'll just do the same thing to this hand like I did the other hand, but you'll see me file out and buff out the acrylics before I soak them to save on time. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. These are my results, and yeah, I know I have some fat fingers, so please do not come for me. But as always, I love all of you and have a blessed day.